Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get an Akatsuki live wallpaper for your iPhones. Now, it's really easy to do. We're actually just going to be using TikTok. But before we get started, I'm just going to remind you guys, I do have lots of videos similar to this on my channel. So if you guys are interested in these types of videos, how to customize your phones and stuff like that, I really recommend you guys go check out my videos. I'm also on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so I'd really appreciate if you guys would consider subscribing as well. Anyhow, if I pronounced Akatsuki wrong as well, just let me know down below. I don't really watch any anime or anything like that. So if I sound really dumb, just let me know down below. Anyhow, all you have to do is go over to TikTok first off. So if you don't have TikTok, just make sure you just go download it really quick. It just takes 2 seconds. But anyhow, you just got to open up TikTok. You want to come to this page right here. It's called Vic Edits. So I'll show you guys the @ right there. So you guys can just pause the video and search for this page. They have 15.8K followers at this time. But what you guys want to do once you come to this page is just scroll all the way down to this video right here. It's got 860,000 views right now. And it's actually really, really cool. So once you're on this page, all you have to do is click on this little share button at the bottom, and you'll see that you'll be able to convert it to a live photo. That's what you want to do. So if we just click on live photo here, it's then going to create it into a live photo, so we're able to create a wallpaper out of it. So let's give it a second here to finish up creating a live photo. Once it is done here, we can then exit out of here, and all we have to do is go over to our settings and open that up. Then you want to scroll all the way down till you see wallpaper, click on that, click on choose new wallpaper, scroll down, live photos, then you will be able to see our wallpaper right here that we just downloaded. Now if you guys want to check it out before you go ahead and save it, you just long press on it, you'll see it, then it will begin to play. I recommend doing this too so you can make sure it fits well, but as you guys see here, it does look great on my phone. So all we have to do is click on set and then set as lock screen, and then you guys will be good to go. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get this live wallpaper on your iPhones. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.